Please remain standing for the singing of the national anthem to be conducted by Ms. Jennifer B. Caneda.
There's a shooting star in the sky. I always wish for the best of everyone because I believe that people are natural dreamers. We have goals to meet and purpose to live by. A lot of our dreams seem impossible to reach at first, too high for a student like you. But when you believe and activate that shooting star with your wish and passion, it will bring you what you desire. To the school administrators, the unsung heroes of ISAT College, the President, Mr. Ferdinand Beltran.
For the distribution to the graduates, for the distribution of diplomas to the graduates of the academic track, humanities,
Shego, Kimberly May. Shego, Regina May. Conte, Joshua. Constantino Aiko Micaela J. Cortez III Bien.
We must find, stop, and thank the people who make a difference in our lives. By John F. Kennedy. To our school director, Mr. Wilbert Manila.
provide you with all your needs. They have done this because they love you and they want you to have a good future. So dear graduates, again please stand, look at your parents and guardians and give them a big round of applause. Okay, thanks. As a sign of appreciation to your parents and how you can be productive is by looking for jobs or putting up your own business. Exert efforts to be successful and always strive for excellence. Our dearest parents and guardians, thank you so much for choosing ASAP College as the second home of your sons and daughters. Let us wish them luck and continue to support them as they will tackle the new journey in their life, and that is the college ladder. Dear graduates, we now send you off to a new world, equipped with dreams and becoming who you are. Remember to be courageous all the time by believing in God and yourself. And that you have what it takes to be true winner. Write this in your heart, in your mind, and in your soul. We pray for your success in your endeavors, and we perfectly hope that no matter how far you go, you will always look back and remember that institution that once had been your home. Let us all rise for the exit of colors. Graduates, pwede kayo pumunta sa mga pairings to give your roses. Give them a hug. Kiss them. Say thank you.
Yahweh.